Look at our sofa.
You're late. What are you doing when we're playing in the park?
Well, it's okay. I am busy. I can do the rest. Yes.
Okay, now you do the rest.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
So this is how it looks like. It's spring.
Sure.
Almost. So this is Kuya's t-shirt. Oh, it's mine. Okay. Where's Kuya? Kitos. Let's see the bed outside. So, ayan guys, paunti-unti, nababawasan na yung aming mga gamit. Ayun yung higaan. Yung bunk bed nandun na sa labas. Ayan. Yung kalat ng bahay namin. Kasi nga, magtatapon kami ngayon ng mga gamit. Ayan. Tapon.
Okay, come here. Get the scissors.
Susunod guys, update ko kayo sa kung anong mangyayari na. Ayan yung sofa. Yung sofa bed yan. Na binili namin noon sa IKEA. Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung itsura niya. Okay, bye!